Can we make one of these styrofoam plate gliders using cardboard instead? For Amaratbhai Patel. Sorry about the pronunciation. I did my best. So we'll take the dimensions off here, transfer them onto the cardboard and see if it flies. I think what I might do, rather than copy it exactly, I'm going to make this one with a V tail, because that will be slightly less weight at the back, and it's already a bit tail heavy anyway, and with cardboard it'll be even worse. So it's about 2.5 inches wide, or width, and 6 inches for one wing, so obviously that's a 12-inch wingspan altogether. And the tail at the moment is 5 inches wide and an inch and 1/8. I expect that's probably about 3 centimetres. I'll make it 1 1/4 inches. So 2.5 inches by 6 inches and 1 1/4 by 5 overall. Could do with a pencil. Will do. 2.5 inches. Cardboard's not going to be a very strong wing, but if I put a bit of a curve in it when I glue it to the wooden stirrer, that should make it a bit stronger. Six inches, 6. That's 2.5. Six inches. So that's our wings. So we need a bit of a curve in them. It's about 1.5 inches back from the front, but this one's tail heavy, so I'm going to put the wing a bit further back. I'm going to put it 2.5 inches back. Two and a half inches back I'm putting it. That's just guesswork. I'm going to put the front of the wing at the top and the back of the wing at the bottom. Let that cool down and I'll turn it over and do the other side. So there we are, 2.5 inches. Front of the wing at the top of the wooden stirrer, back of the wing at the bottom, and we've got a bit of a curve to give us a bit of strength. So now I'll cut a tail and I'll make it a V shape at the back there. Five inches, so the centre is 2.5. I'm going to make it 1.25 inches. Hot glue that at the back there. it's still tail heavy. I could have trimmed the wooden stick a bit, made it thinner. That would have reduced the weight at the back a bit, but I'll just add some solder, lead weight at the front to balance it. And then we can twist the cardboard, bend it to give us elevator or rudder effect. A little bit bright out there, sunlight streaming through. We'll do a little comparison between the two gliders, the polystyrene one and the cardboard one. You see that's quite light, needed a bit of trimming actually. This one I've had to put quite a big lump of blue tack on the front to get the balance. As you can see, it flies faster because it's heavier. We're in the garden, we'll compare the two planes. Ground's still a bit frosty over there. Over this side where the sun's been on it, it's going to be wet and muddy. That was the polystyrene one. Now we'll try the cardboard one. Oh, that seemed to work. Not sure if the camera will pick this up, but it's going dark here where the water's soaking into it, where it's landing on the wet grass. So that's obviously a disadvantage of having a cardboard aeroplane, because the trim's going all wrong now, because it's getting heavy in the wrong places. So if you're going to make a cardboard one, make sure you don't fly it where it's damp, because the water gets into the cardboard and makes it soft.